So a lot of people ask me, hey, how long is the project gonna take? I'll tell you the longest job I've ever been on was 15 days. And we don't work Sundays, so it was probably 18. We had some days where it rained, it rained half days. It was a very big job for an architect, very detailed. Like different size window trim on all four sides of the window, plus more, it was listen, it looks amazing. I'm super proud of it, but like that's like 1 in every 7 year kind of job. And so we were on that job for 15 days. And so the average one on a job is on like maybe a job that's around 2,000 square feet or less. We're normally there like 4 to 6 days. And if it's a bigger house, maybe 3,000 square feet or bigger, we're there like 10 to 12 days. So on average, we're probably out in 7, 8 days. Even if it's a big house, it's probably 10. The two biggest things that affect timeline is seasonality. So what time of year are we doing it, and how much does it rain? And so, it's starting to get darker. Throughout the whole summer, the guys show up at 7:30, and then they're not cutting, but they're ready to start at 8. They're everything's set, they're going. And they'll work till a lot of times 7:30 at night, because they can. Once school starts, we try to stop a little bit earlier to give families some more time. And certainly we're open if homeowners would like us to kind of stop at a certain time. But for the most part, like we get an extra hour and a half, 2 hours a day. And over the course of 7 days, it's like an extra day or two. And so if you install Hardie in October, November, we're kind of stopping by 5 because it's darker, and we got to clean up, do a good cleanup. And so that's going to take a longer time of year. The other thing is weather. People always ask, or they're always shy about installing Hardie in January, February. I lose as many days in October as I do in January, February because it rains so much. And so we'll install Hardie basically down to 20 degrees. We don't get a ton of snow here. When we get snow, it's normally like 10 inches, and then it melts. And so we'll have to let it melt, but otherwise it's just cold. And the guys install, it's actually fairly dry. And so again, like if it's raining at 8 a.m., the guys aren't gonna work that day. Even if it stops raining by 2, we're just not gonna work that day. So, but if it's nice until 2, we'll get a half day in. So how many, like October, November, normally tough month because of rain. But those are 2 things that kind of slow down a job.